Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4 and the Huawei smartphone, and I will show you how you can make software update of this FreeBuds. After first we have to open case and then open Huawei AI application. If you don't know how to connect, you can check our video. Then open them, scroll down and go for update. Right now you can click to download and install currently update. Okay, as you can see, I'm not able to make it because my charging case is not at least at the 20% of the battery. But if you charge your case, you will be able to tap here to download and install, and after that it will be automatically downloaded, so you don't even have to do anything. So yeah, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.